quick video on this combination of a mouse and keyboard. I really like it. I'm using it actually as like my stand-up keyboard and mouse. So the actual USB receiver is down here, plugged into this mess of cords down here, and it works completely fine. That's the computer it's working on, but this is where I'm basically working. You can see it's basically typing away. I haven't had any issues with it. It connected right up to my Windows computer, and it also works on multiple computers. So I can actually unplug this one, plug this computer in over here, and it works. So it's night and day. I've used a laptop keyboard forever, and I never had any desire to switch to a normal keyboard. Like, this is what I'm calling a normal keyboard. And it's just been, it's like a blessing. It's just so much better to type on a keyboard, this type of keyboard, than on a laptop keyboard. So if you're thinking of switching, I would say do it, because it's awesome. Having number keys, having all these little shortcuts up here, and just the feel of everything, it's just so much better. I really like it. Works great.